Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to remove Roku account from TV without password. Let's go. First way, open Roku app. Open account. Devices in account. Select your Roku TV. Remove device from account. Second way, open Settings, System. Advanced System Settings. Factory Reset. Enter code. Done. That's it. Now you know how to remove Roku account from TV without password. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.